Huawei is preparing to launch a new foldable phone called Nova Flip. Nova Flip launch set for August 5th in China. The company posted a teaser video on its Weibo channel. Huawei revealed the first look of the Nova Flip smartphone. Nova Flip come in green, white, pink, black color. It's come with side-mounted fingerprint. Huawei will offer the phone with a skin or glass panel on the back, which will affect the thickness and weight, and will weigh 195 grams. The new phone will have a 2.1-inch OLED square cover display alongside the camera island. The inner panel will be an LTPO OLED with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, with stereo speakers. The phone is also coming with a Kirin 9000 series chip. It could be the Kirin 9000S from the Nova 12 Ultra. The phone will have 12GB RAM and at least 3 storage combinations, 3.1 storage, and run HarmonyOS software. Nova Flip will get a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens that will also act as a super macro cam for close-up shots, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The phone will come with a 4,400 mAh battery that supports 66W wired charging. We will have to wait and see how much each of them would cost. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.